They mostly ate people that died of natural causes, but at the time there was no prohibition. There was no legal prohibition on killing Indians. They had 2 Indian guides with them, and a guy murdered them.
Wow.
They murdered them to eat them, and never faced any repercussions for it. It was more illegal. It was more illegal to kill someone's cow than it was to kill 2 Native Americans.
Wow.
Yeah, he just walked. Everybody knew he did it. Never faced any repercussions for it. Murdered 2 people to eat them. Other than that, they were eating people that were already there.